And hundreds of runners and bikers also mark the 40th anniversary of the Martial Law Declaration in their own way. They claim to have witnessed the sufferings of the people during the martial rule. Martial law survivors also lighted candles, and a historical marker was inaugurated at Menjola in Manila. This report.
Years since martial law was declared in the Philippines, and yet the struggles during the Marcos regime was still very clear for Alan. Alan joined the Fun Run and Bike Fest in Quezon Memorial Circle this morning to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the martial law.
Takot nung time kasi na yun kasi lahat bawal magsalita. Walang freedom of speech yung time na yun. Bali, pagka nakapagsalita ka ng medyo against the government, parang alam mo, huhulihin ka eh.
Like Alan, hundreds of bikers and runners joined the event. All of them were witnesses to the hardships during the dictator's regime in the country. For them, this is a simple way of showing their appreciation for the heroes of our country who fought for democracy.
Dapat manalaytay sa atin na dapat parating nandyan yung alaala nila. Sayang naman yung pinaghirapan nila kung di natin pagpapatuloy yung pinaglaban nila para sa atin.
Meanwhile, in Bustillos Church, Sampaloc, Manila, a mass was held to remember the struggles and hardships of Filipino activists and church leaders who fought for freedom during the Marcos regime. After the mass, demonstrators marched towards Menjola not to show protests but to witness the opening of the Menjola historical marker. Manila Mayor Fred Lim led the ceremony. The Menjola historical marker will serve as the symbol of Philippine democracy and fight against dictatorship.
Well, we have to congratulate this policy. We are honoring our past heroes who fought for our rights and our freedom.
For People's Television, this is Bernard Tan reporting.